Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you another donation box that I got from David. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a huge fan of all things yarny and crochet, then go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe while you're down there, and tap that bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. So let's go ahead and take a look at the second donation box that I got from David. And this donation box is just as big as the last one. Do y'all remember the last one? If not, I'll link that puppy up above so that you can go and check out what he donated before. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and show you this. But you know, before I start that, then let me go ahead and just tell you what he's donating. He is donating items to my mom's foundation. My mom's foundation is where she houses up to 3 girls who are pregnant and struggling in her home. And they stay with her until either they have the baby or they get back up on their feet and they no longer need to live with her. And so that is what all of that's for. And the items that you're donating are for both the girls, because they're coming into her home with pretty much nothing to their name, and to the babies, the future babies that are coming. So these would be newborns and stuff like that. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look and see what David donated. Let's start with this beautiful bowl. I think it's a blanket. It looks like it's a blanket. Oh wait, nope, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it, look, watch, it just keeps going. Wait, there's more. There's more. It's going to keep going. Look at that. It's keep going. It's going. Wait. Okay, there we go. It finally ended. Oh, this is one awesome wrap. And I know from the wrap that you saw that Josephine sent last time, well, this is similar to that. And what's so awesome about wraps in this area is you can use it to warm up your shoulders, you know, like a blanket, or you can wear it like a scarf, and it works just as well that way too. So gorgeous, so soft, so squishy, so amazing. Ooh, okay, so here is a baby blanket, and check out these colors. And it's almost a classic granny. And I've seen David do this before. He does like he does like 2 in the space, and then he does 4 here on the double crochet, and it makes it a little bit less, I guess, holey. And this is so soft and fuzzy. I am pretty sure this is acrylic. But it's got not quite a woolly feel, but it's got the kind of that fuzzy. It's not an itchy woolly feel, but like the fuzzy woolly feel. Anyway, it's very, very, very cool. Love it. All right, and then we got another baby blanket. Look at that! And this is Karen Latte Cakes, which I have a few that I need to make baby blankets out of. And David's just so much more prolific at crochet making than I am. Look at how awesome that is! Oh my gosh, and it's so soft, so soft, so amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold this up. And you know, like I said in the last donation video that I had, you guys are so amazing, because the only thing I've made for this this foundation are 2 hats. That's all I made. 2 hats. You guys have made blankets upon shawls, upon wraps, upon hats. Just amazing, you guys, amazing. Alright, and then this one is, it looks like a shawl as well. Oh, it's like a poncho shawl. See? So it's got kind of a little bit wider collar here, and I'm sure you can fold that down if you wanted. And then it drapes. How pretty is that? Ah, and it's pretty blue. I love it. You're so talented, David. pretty? Alright, I'm trying to get this folded. It's not like a perfect square or rectangle, so it's never as easy to fold. But I get it done. Okay, next up, ooh, this one's, ooh, this is a beautiful, let's see here. I think this is another poncho, I think, yeah. Because I think that's where your neck goes through. And look how cozy that is. Cozy and squishy. Look at how pretty that is. So gorgeous. Ah, I love that, David. That is so cool. And you know, as with your boxes, I tend to run out of room because I'm stacking this in front of me. And I think if I put something else on top of that. Except for these. Oh, look at this. It's David's accidental hat. And some matching mittens. Look at those. David, do you have a tutorial for these yet? I haven't even looked because that's so cool. Look at that. Oh, I love, love, love. All right, I think I can fit the hat and mittens up here without it toppling on me. Ooh, here's another awesome baby blanket in fall colors. Look at how pretty that is, those fall colors. And this is so soft. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Thank you, David. I love this. Just folding it up here. And that is my phone going off, you guys. Sorry about that. I probably should have put it on mute, but too late now. So now we have this blanket, which is another one of those granny blankets that is so, so pretty. And those are some gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Amazing, amazing colors. And you guys, I know this was a big hit with the last set of blankets that he sent me. This one that I'm about to show you, because he made me another one, and I'm so excited about that because I think that this has already been claimed. Look at this rainbow baby blanket. Oh my gosh, isn't it amazing? It's so, 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 so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love. Thank you, David. This is perfect. And what yarn is this, David? Because this is a very soft yarn, and it feels awesome. I love the way it feels. I think it's a DK weight, whatever it is. But I love this like bright coloring here. So tell me, what is this yarn, please? I need to know. And now, woohoo, the pastel version of the same blanket. Oh my gosh, so amazing. I love it. I think I love the pastel version just as much as I love the bright version. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And then we've got gray and teal version of the same blanket. Oh my gosh, yes, these are perfect, David. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we've got another one of this. This one's a little bit more purpley, but it's that same kind of fuzzy granny square blanket that I showed you towards the beginning. I think it was like the second blanket, but it's got, it looks like it's just a little bit more, the purple tones are in this one, as opposed to like the mauve and pink tones. Okay, and then this is, we got one of these last time too, and I think that this one was claimed as well. Look at that, so pretty. Oh, so pretty, I love it. And we got a pink. And oh, I think this is the second one from the other one that we have. Yes. So pretty. So there's gonna be so many options. I love this for the babies. And these are so soft, you guys. If you guys have not like experienced what a latte cake feels like, get down to your local Michael's and see if you can't touch one, because yeah, they are amazing feeling. Oh my gosh, now this is at least a full-size blanket here, or a good size throw. I can't show it all to you, but you see here, it's got a darker, it's got this fuzzy stuff on the end, on the border. See? And then it's got regular yarn, like regular worsted weight, acrylic worsted. And then it goes into the middle, which is this gray. Look at that. It's an amazing throw. This is going to be so cozy. And David, I'm assuming that these all these yarns are wash and dry, right? Just wash on low heat. That's the way I do all my yarn stuff. Low heat. And I got one more blanket. Looks like this is possibly throw size. Look at this. This is so pretty, David. I love your color choices on this. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love your color choices. Now this is like a lapgan. More of a lapgan, or it could be like a play mat for the babies. It is a little small for a throw, but it's not. It can be a throw as well. Just as it covers your lap really well, and yeah, that's beautiful. David, again, you are just so amazing. I can't get over how generous you are. You are incredibly generous with your time, with your yarn. I'm so excited to take these up to my mom because I know she's going to be so excited to see them. And I don't know if she'll ever want to get on camera saying thank you. If she ever wants to, I'll make sure she does that for all of you guys. But I make no promises. I'm the one that says thank you because I'm the one that put the call out. And you guys have answered me so well. I'm floored. You guys fill my heart every day. You really do. Not just, you know, you guys coming and visiting me and stuff, you know. Just you guys being you. You guys are all so amazing. Ah, I love you all. Thank you. Thank you so much for being you. And yeah, so again, thank you again so much, David. Your donations just really, I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to get passings along to my mom this afternoon. In fact, I'm going to be leaving here in the next 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be taking her these items. But again, thank you so much. Thank you to everybody who's donated. Thank you, everybody. I so much appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to do this. Yeah. Just thank you. And those of you watching, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. You guys have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.